Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Area Commander ke Hnlc hagsngi thok diang ulawan Pyndem no irade hakmat ki pulen. Usimbut menteri rangba kejela uba Prestone tensong habakran syakilat patai kubor ula pentikna bagani kejingwan Pyndem uni udukhat ke Hnlc kedai ke bershisha hendai yang menta umpat la ban penpawi ke kerteng bat umpat la ban ai ke jingtip ke bebenyak hendai hadian ketuk nepor ke polis headquarter kan sepentip ke jingtip bebenyak hak bede ban kene. Ubak Prestone ula kerpat di Kiwei pat ki dukhat ke Hnlc bagi dewan wan Pyndem no irade ban bot kumbale une ubadang syuan Pyndem. Ula ong baga Jingkhang haduk menta kedang Plie nak benta ke jinyakrannya suk bat ke Hnlc lada kedai nak sarkar India ni nak sarkar jelaru.
Surrender will be sent to you officially. I think sometimes maybe within 3-4 hours, and you'll get all the detail from PHQ, from the police headquarters. But yes, it is true that one area commander of the Hnlc, who is also very, very active, he surrendered to the police force, and his name also you will be known. And so let us see, the next course of action will be accordingly taken. But my appeal to other cadres of the Hnlc also can follow the same footsteps like made by the one who has just surrendered few hours back, to kindly join with us to the mainstream. This is my only appeal to other members too.
So can you give us surrendered any arms or ammunition, sir?
Well, I will not indulge in any kind of detail right now, as I said to you, because the official statement will come out from the police headquarters.
So at the moment, still how many Hnlc members are still there according to your information?
That also I will not deliberate much, but as I said to you, I think this time we are able to even pick up few of them. So let us see, and then as I said to you, you will be informed accordingly today from the PHQ.
So then, what happens now about the peace talks? Any progress? Any start of resurfing of the peace talks again?
Well, the peace talk till today, the door is not closed yet. The door is still open, be it from the government of India or be it from the state government. We are open to the talk again. So we leave it to their, because the ball right now is in their court. If they decide, we can resume talk, but if they don't, we can't say anything on that.
Sir, how do you see this surrender from the area commander nonetheless? And also, what was the reason, why did he surrender? Did he give any reasons?
Well, I think see, there are so many reasons where ultimately he decided to take this way of surrendering. I think you understand, being a young man, sometimes after you think it properly, you sit down maybe alone, you sit at home or you sit in any place wherever you are, ultimately you found out that yes, maybe I have to come back to the mainstream. Because as I said to you, my appeal to all those members of the Hnlc, better come back to the mainstream. We are there, government is there to help you out, and we are there. Well, they may think that yes, we have, the moment we come out, we may be booked, we may be arrested. The law is there, but let me tell you one thing, once you come out from the underground activities, you will also at the same time be fully protected. You will also be fully think of how to make sure that your career is again in the mainstream. I think that is very important. Let them understand about it, that we really serious about this, be it from the central government, be it from state government. We would like to see the cadres to come out, and not only that, join with us in the mainstream.
We can expect more surrenders in the coming days.
Sorry?
We can expect more surrenders.
I can't say right now anything on that. Okay? Yeah. Thank you.